So today I'm going to be taking apart this whistle, checking out the valve. So, let's start today. So fitting for this guy, I believe this is it. Okay, first try, let's go. No need left. You can see this here. That needs oil. Bad, man. Alright. So, get the spring, the valve cover, and the push pin. So probably what I'm going to do is take a towel and clean it all up because it hasn't been cleaned over at least 50 years. That's oil. I might have to put some lube on that. It's either lube or dirt, but I'm putting new stuff on anyway, so I'm going to want to clean it. That looks clean. I need to polish it up, but this guy needs it bad. Oh yeah. Wow. Alright. What if I have a wire brush? Dude, but I'm looking for something. Oh, here we go. A little trick you can do is use a pencil or a colored pencil, whatever suits your fancy, and place it in there and just kind of get in there. Get it all up in there. Get it all nice. Wow. Got a light here. So right now I'm going to take a break on cleaning that. I'm going to take the pull handle and I'm going to clean that. Painted it bright red, as you can see. Paint's kind of come off. I might have to repaint it later on, but yeah. Let's take that paper towel. Where did I put it? Right there. Dirt, dust, and grime is still on here from before I painted it. So right now, that's what the whistle looks like. I don't have a top cap for it right now at the moment, but I'm working on that. Probably gonna manufacture one pretty soon. I don't have a cap on it yet, so here's your cap cover. Here's your chambers. Very oxidized. I've already cleaned the chambers, so I don't think I'll be able to need to do that, but take this guy and we'll just kind of get in there. Get all that dirt and stuff out of there. Got a knife with you. Whew. A lot of oil still in there. Alright. Put that right there. Let's get back to cleaning the valve, eh? Alright. Get that cap cleaned off as best as I can. For the moment at least, because I'll probably have to take this apart in the future and clean it, if I'm being honest. That looks clean. Also, you need to polish the brass a lot. Boy, the spring. Alright, well, how are we gonna do this? I'm gonna go rinse it off in some water. I will be right back. So at the moment, I'm soaking these parts in steaming hot water. This needs to be washed. This does, though. It's pretty hot, so we'll leave those to soak for a little bit. And I'll follow you guys up in a little bit. Alright, so I let these soak for about 5 minutes. I'll just bring the camera over here. There's a lot of grime and stuff built up right now, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take these parts out, and I'm going to let them on a paper towel to dry. Now, this probably isn't the best way to clean it, but it's brass, so the worst it can do is oxidize. So, I mean, it's ran on steam before. It's a steam whistle. I mean, it's kind of in its name, so not like anything crazy is gonna happen, right? I'm gonna go dump this, and I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back. So, don't need that anymore. Place that right there. And now that we got that over with, let's get this back undone, and then we'll soak it in some water, like the whole whistle. Try to get the top chambers off, but I might have to put it in a vice grip or something. So, take it all apart. Take this guy off like so. So it was before. Alright. I'm gonna put this in the vice grip. I'll be right back. So probably not the best way I could have handled that. Put it in a vice grip. Kind of bent it a little bit. Chewed it. Nothing I can't polish out, but didn't really want to do that. But here we are. Got it separated. Take that. Where's that? There it is. Oh, we're gonna need a Tupperware. Alright. I'll be right back. Right there. Put this guy right there. Put this guy in there, and then we'll switch him out in a little bit.
Who did this?
It was just a second. I had a whole thing.
Well, there comes up that door just a second.
Get that out. I'll let you guys know. So we're gonna clean this all off. Actually, you wanna know what's actually a really good idea?
Two hours later.
Alright, I'm back. So, don't need that anymore. Just that right there. Listen, let's see. Alright, I'm gonna put this back together real quick. I'll put this on. Give me like 5 minutes.
Alright, we're gonna go peek.
Yeah. Alright, well, while I'm putting this back together, we're gonna scare my grandpa's friend with the whistle. So I'll put that. We'll probably clean it when I get back. It's not like anything crazy is gonna happen, so. Put this back together. It's only a few parts, so. Put that back in there like so, and put this tunnel pipe back over. Oh yeah, that feels way better. Alright. I'm gonna get this on film too, it's gonna be so funny. Now that the whistle is put together enough to function, so put it on the compressor.
To the town of Alfria rode a stranger one fine day. Hardly spoke to folks around him, didn't have too much to say. No one dared to ask his business, no one dared to make the slip. The stranger there among them had a big iron on his head, big iron on his head. It was early in the morning when he rode into the town.